Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how I made this awesome little Chevy Camaro Hot Wheels Light. The first thing that we need to do is mix up our resin. I'll link the resin, the pigments, and everything that I'm using in the description down below. Next, we're gonna pour our epoxy. I tried to get it to go through this one window to try and get as few bubbles actually in the car as possible, because I know they kind of get stuck to the roof. I probably should have tilted it, kind of shaken it around a little bit before I put it in the vacuum chamber looking back on it, but it came out pretty good. I'm happy with it, so. And now we're going to put it into the pressure pot and leave it overnight. And now we're just going to turn it around. I added a little waste block just like I did for our bowl turning videos. And you can see I've got a little stop there. I took the little center out of it, just to make sure that this doesn't fly off and hit me in the head. Always want to make sure that we wear safety gear when on the lathe. You'll see why in a little bit. You can see I removed the tailstock so we can start working on the top here. And here's where things go a bit wrong and why you always want to wear your safety gear. And now we're just gonna sand and then polish. And I actually, after I cut this one off, I took it to the buffing wheel and actually buffed it up on the buffing wheel, which helped out a lot with this epoxy. I'm using super clear on this one. I think we're gonna do another one and use a different type of epoxy and see how it comes out. And here it is, guys. I really loved working on this project. I love my Chevys, so this was definitely a fun one for me. The little guy loved looking at it and looking at the lights and everything. I did add some little LEDs in the bottom so that it lights up, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give us a thumbs up down below if you liked it. Leave any comments if you have any questions, or let us know what you want to see us make next. And don't forget to subscribe if you want to see what's coming up. Thanks, guys.